What is up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing my Scosche speakers. Today we're gonna be installing those speakers. I'm gonna install them. So we're just gonna be installing the speakers, and we're gonna show you the process step by step, and I hope you guys enjoy. So guys, there's gonna be two clips on the Mazda 3 2005. There's gonna be two clips. One right here by the door handle. Let me focus. You guys can really see with the lighting, but there's gonna be one right there, and then there's gonna be one down here, the handle. And then you just want to take off the cover, and then inside there's gonna be a screw, right? Yeah. There's gonna be a screw. So make sure you guys take those out. Guys, we also forgot to mention that you guys have to lower the window so you guys get better access. We already took off the two. What are they? Clips. We took out the two clips holding the clips, and then we took out the door handle one. We took out the door handle and the handle, and so now we just have to apply the sides. Wow, you guys can't even see. Oh. So that's what Tony's doing now. Oh, there you go. Alright guys, so every driver's side door obviously has more things than any other door. So you're gonna have to take off this. What is it? The lock, right?
Yeah, just the lock.
So you're gonna have to take off the lock harness, and then you're able to take out the door handle, and then you should be able to take out your door panel easily. So we're just gonna take off the harness real quick. So guys, we are back. We took off the door panel. And it's gonna be a little bit hard to take out, but you guys will figure it out. There is another harness, which is the, what harness is that?
I think it's for the.
Oh yeah, it's like the windows, like everything you basically need. So you're gonna have to take off that harness right there. So then after that, you're gonna be able to completely take off your door panel. Alright guys, so we took out the harnesses. They're right here. The smaller one is for I guess for your windows, and then this one is for like all the windows combined. I can't even focus on that. Is it focused? There you go. And then this top one, the small one, this one's for whoa, there you go. This is for your lock, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so now there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding your factory speaker. So you're gonna have to take these off, and then your speaker should come right out. And then I believe there's a harness in the back too, right? Yeah. So we'll show you guys once we unscrew it. Alright guys, so we took off the screws, so now we're just gonna try to pry out the speaker. Whoa, it doesn't want to come out. No, just ply it. You see? Hell no. I think these are glued. There you go, there you go. There you go. Alright guys, so we took it out. This is the complete speaker. You will have to pry it out, because like I said, it's it looked like it was glue, but it's because it's been in here for years.
Since 2005.
2005. So you guys, after this, you're gonna have to take off this harness, and from there, you're gonna see which speakers you have, and if you don't have the same adapter or the same harness, you're gonna have to do some wiring, and we'll show you guys the wiring process so you guys can know what to do.
Both speakers, the old one, the new one.
The aftermarket one.
Yeah, really nice. You see?
You see the difference, guys? So in this one, it did not come with any like harness. So like, what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cut these wires, splice them open, just cut them, and then we're gonna have to connect negative to positive by cutting this. And the tools you're gonna need is I don't know what you call this. I guess it's just to cut the wire, or just to like take off the cover, get a good connection. I don't know this tool, so don't laugh at me. I know what it's for, I just don't know the name for it, you know. Let me focus. There you go. So you're gonna need that. You're gonna need, what do you call this?
A wire cutter?
A wire cutter. A sharp thingy. And then you're gonna need electrical tape. And you're gonna need a knife to cut the electrical tape. And you're gonna need speakers, obviously.
Speaker.
No speakers. So guys, we spliced the harness, and the hammer is really hard to pick it up, but like it's two different colors. One's dark gray and one's like white. The dark gray is obviously negative, the darker color, and then the white one is positive. And then right here on the speaker, it even says positive and negative. The camera's not focusing right now, but what I did is I shaved off the negative right here, and then I just wrapped it around on the negative. So like now I'm gonna go ahead and shave the positive and then wrap it around on the positive side, and then hopefully they work. We're gonna test them out.
Good. Katy Perry.
So Justin Bieber too, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we connected it. We did the wiring and everything, and then we didn't put it back together. We were just testing it, and I turned on the car. We put some music, and it sounds good.
Now we just gotta put it back.
Now we just gotta put it back. But before we put it back, something you even forgot is that we have to tape put electrical tape around the open wire, because we don't want to get bad connection, and I don't want to have to take off the whole door panel again and then do it again. So make sure you put tape, or you use shrink tube or heat tube or solder. I think it's soldering. You solder it. I don't know how to do that, so I'm just gonna go with the getaway. No,
Tape.
just tape, you know. Guys, and just like that, I installed the speakers on both sides in like 30 minutes. It's really not that hard. It's just you need to know how to wire. Like I said, you could solder, you could tape, you could just wire them together, or just use shrink tube to get a good connection. I did not show how to close everything up after you put it, but it's the same thing as taking it apart. So you just put everything backwards and you're good. And then also, this is a custom switch, which I'm gonna make a video on that. I installed fog lights. Well, they're the factory fog lights, but like I wired them. So like I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna show you guys in another video. So hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'm gonna bring more tutorials for you guys.